In this video, I'm going to show you guys what is autoresponder. Hey, welcome guys. My name is RJ and welcome to my channel Make Money Online with Affiliate Marketing. In this videos is this channel I show you guys how you can make money with affiliate marketing. Okay, so today I'm going to explain you what is autoresponder. So please be with me. Alright guys, so let me explain you. So this is called get response. This is first, let me explain you. This is called a waiver. Okay, so a waiver is also autoresponder. Autoresponder, in the last video what I explained you guys, in last video I said once I get the emails, how this autoresponder send you email, how it's gonna send it. So three autoresponder mostly people they use, the active campaign, the active campaign, most of the big people they use, so you can see that pricing and everything. Active campaign or a waiver or the get response. Okay, so I'm using the get response. So autoresponder, what does that mean? Autorespond. Okay, so suppose that in last video I show you guys already. If you missed that, I will put the link above so you can see that, like so what so you can see that, like in the last videos, what was the opt-in page and bridge page. Let's focus on this autoresponder. So this is the autoresponder where I get the emails. Once I get the emails here, okay, after that what my autoresponder is gonna do, that my autoresponder is like look at this is the autoresponder. Okay, so once you give the email, so my first email, it will go like a let me introduce myself. So you can see that first email, it will go that let me introduce myself. So this is like once people they give me like so this is my autoresponder. Okay, the first email it will go, and after 1 day gap, the second day it will go. So what did you think? So all the autoresponder after 6th day it will go. So suppose that people they jump in here and they saw everything and they did not buy anything. If they did not buy anything, so that's why the autoresponder, I will email them every day, not every day, every alternative day. So I will email them like how many people's 2485 people, one time it will send boom one message to everyone. So that's how the autoresponder it work, guys. Email marketing is, suppose that I have 2485 emails, it means I have uh, this much money I have 2004, because one email is equal to $1. It means I have $2, and every day I get some emails from the peoples. So my auto responder it look like that. So day 1, day 3, 5 gap, 1 day gap, and I have like a 60 days. Autoresponder is goes and people they buy from there. Okay, so this is the autoresponder. Okay, if you guys need more help to set up autoresponder, you want have any question, please comment down below. Okay, and then I will answer you guys. Okay, or reach me out on the Facebook or or the Instagram, on YouTube you are watching here. Reach me out, I will help you guys. So most of the people they use this one. Like look at this is how the autoresponder, you can segment, automate, all these things you can literally use with the WordPress and everything. It's all depends upon the people. I love this one. Okay, the get response. Okay, so I will keep link both of them, like the get response and this one, two link I'll put it. This one is like a literally free for the 500 subscriber. This one is free. So mostly the beginners they use like this one is the free. Okay, mostly. Let me open it so you guys have idea how this looks like that. Okay, so hmm, all right, so this is first when I started. See, I have the 432 subscriber, but I'm not using right now. You can literally make landing page and also I had the subscriber and everything, but I'm not using because they have a double opt-in things, so I really don't like it. So I will suggest you guys go for the get response. They are affiliate friendly. All right, guys, so this is affiliate friendly and they are very good with that. So this is my autoresponder, it was there. So this is like this one I'm paying like a $26 a month because I have a 2500 subscriber. Okay, but here and here, once you upgrade it, 500 is free. After 500 they will ask you to upgrade and then you have to pay $19 a month, like and there is one more thing, it's like a builder and there's a lot of software. It's all depend upon which one you like it, which one makes you sense. Okay, so in this videos, all right, in this video that's what I showed you guys. Okay, and I will come up with another videos, another and yeah, that's for now. Please, if you like my videos, smash the like button, subscribe my channel. There's a lot of things going to come out, guys. All right, bye for now.